If you want thicker, longer, healthier hair, stick around. This video is for you. Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be making moringa hair butter. So for this remedy, you're going to be needing shea butter, moringa, and cinnamon. It's optional if you don't have it, and some oils. So let's get into the video. So I'm going to be doing the double broiler method. I cut the shea butter into tiny bits so that it can melt easier and you can put it in a bowl. So after some minutes it started to melt. Let's get into the production. The first ingredient, of course, as our base is moringa. Moringa contains fatty acids, compounds, and antioxidants that improve blood circulation to the scalp, promoting hair growth. Increased blood flow nourishes the hair follicles and stimulates hair growth, leading to thicker and healthier hair over time. I also went in with cinnamon. Cinnamon also helps with hair growth, so it's optional if you don't have it. And next I'm going to go in with my jojoba oil, my argan oil. These oils are great for my hair. It promotes hair growth, thicker hair, healthier hair. These oils work amazing for me. Try them if you have low porosity hair. I use them and it has been so helpful for me. They are in no particular measurement, so yeah. And I also decided to add this shikakai powder. It's also optional. If you don't have it, you can only use the moringa powder. It is okay. It's as effective. I just decided to add this other because I'm just extra. After putting everything, I let it cool down for a while and I shifted the butter because, as you can see, there are some particles and you don't want that to be stuck in your hair. So I shifted it and this is the final result. I'm just going to let it solidify. I'm going to put it in the fridge since we're making hair butter. Lastly, I just put in some lemongrass essential oil. So this is the butter after it has solidified in the fridge. You can leave it like that and you can use it on your hair, but since I'm extra, I'm going to be whisking it. If you've come this far watching my videos, feel free to like, share, and subscribe, as I make videos on natural hair, lifestyle, entrepreneurship, and you're going to love it here. So yeah, I am just going to whisk it really nicely to a very creamy consistency. Trust me guys, after using the shea butter, my hair was so soft, moisturized, and I've been observing hair growth. So try it if you're struggling with stunted hair growth and you're going to thank me later. So this is the end of the video. I hope you love the video and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.